Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure you're logged in and the sound file is accessible on your device. Open TikTok and tap the plus to reach the camera screen. Once there, tap Upload if you have a file saved, or tap Sounds to explore. If you upload, select the audio file from Files or your camera roll. This step gets your raw audio into TikTok. Now you're ready to align it with video, so don't skip verifying format and length. Once the audio is imported, preview and trim so the clip starts exactly where you want it. Use TikTok's trim handles or a quick external editor if precision is needed. Then place the audio under your video timeline, drag the start point to sync beats or dialogue. Adjust the clip volume versus original video sound and add voiceover or effects if desired. This helps maintain clarity and prevents audio masking. Make incremental tweaks. You're at the finish line. Add captions, hashtags, and privacy settings, and decide whether others can use your sound. Save a draft and test playback on another device to confirm consistent volume and sync. If TikTok flags copyright, you may need a cleared sound or a licensed clip. Make sure to review warnings before posting. If audio doesn't play, convert it to MP3/M4A, short and long files, or re-upload with correct permissions. These fixes resolve most import and playback errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.